And from here, we're going to put the one block behind the leg. Yes, that will be using the hamstrings to squeeze, okay? And the one with the block, you bring this leg up, squeezing. Have your left hand outside of your right leg, squeezing the block, bend your left elbow and curl up sideways here. So the leg and the obliques work together. Going diagonal curl, squeezing the block. And let's do 4 more. 3, 2. So don't go down right away and slowly come back down. Change. Use this, squeeze. And then from here, have your right hand outside of your left leg. Bend your elbows, go 1. Looking diagonal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And slowly come back down. I hope you feel a nice burning sensation here. It's really good for us. Back to the variation just now where we have the block behind our knees, okay? And from here, what I want to do is add a little detail. So we have the left hand outside of the right leg here. We curled up looking diagonal right with the left elbow bent, and I want us now to use our right hand to try to push the right leg away. So this way we can curl up higher. Look at both my elbows, they are bending quite a bit, and I am curling slightly further up, further front to my diagonal right here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up for it. 1 more 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze the block. 7 and 8. Keep your chest high. Don't go down in the transition. Okay? And from here, right hand outside of the left leg. Have your left hand try to push the left leg away. And go 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze the block. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the chest high. Hold. Hold the block up, and now you can slowly roll down. Okay, so we're here to strengthen our core, right? Working on the front and the side of our abdominal specifically, and we have to do one finale oblique exercise that would burn. And it's a good burn because it's slow yet sensational. Okay, let's start. Curl down again. And from here, we're going to hold the block this time, yeah? No more squeezing behind the knee. But as we do that, we're going to integrate the legs here. So from here, hold the block above you and curl up diagonal to the right as you straighten the leg out and up. So it goes back down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so it's to the right and the left leg comes up. Come back down first and change and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and come back down. You can take a break or we repeat one more set. Now you can do this fast, you do it slow, it's up to you. But the quality of doing it fast is a bit different from slow, okay? Just now we did a moderate pace here. Right now, I want us to do it slow because we would really feel it more here. And curled up, reach, and down. Again, curled up, and down. Curled up, and down. Curled up and down. Your leg need not come up too high. And reach and come down. Not taking a rest for too long. Hold it. Ready and go. Up. Reach and curl down. Inhale up here. Exhale, reach, looking diagonal left and come down. If you like, you can also bring the opposite leg higher, but it's not that necessary, yeah? Keeping it straight if you can, or as straight as possible. And inhale, exhale to come up. Last 4 times here, a little bit more ready to make, and go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back down. And this is all for part 1 of this core strength series. The next video, I'll be working on the back part of abdominal wall. Make sure you turn on the notification bell and be notified right away as soon as I launch the video, because I'll be going through specific breathing techniques to strengthen as well as to release tightness right here. So there are rarely any videos like that, and make sure you stay tuned to it. With that said, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your participation. Keep moving, keep getting better, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.